out the colors of your eyes. Putting the gun down on the bedside table, I must have realized it wasn't the rain that made the difference. I could have sworn it wasn't me, yet I did it all so coldly, almost slowly, late for us to see. Oh, come on, please now, talk to me, tell me things I could find helpful. How can I stop now? Is there nothing I can do? I have lost my way. I've been losing you. I can still hear our screams competing. You're hissing your essence like a snake. And I'm in the mirror stand, half a man. I thought no one could break. It wasn't the rain that made no difference. Nervously drumming on, run away. But I want the guilt to get me, thoughts to wake me, praying on my mind. So please now, talk to me, tell me things.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the sad man. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising our leaders, we're getting in tune. The music's played by the madman.